Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Ankit Career Academy. The target for this YouTube channel is to solve 8 lakh math problems. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So right now what we are doing is we are going to calculate the differentiation of sine inverse x cube. So the first thing is, let us take this function as y. So the value of y is equal to sine inverse of x cube. Now in the next step we are going to take this function which is x cube as u. So let us take u as x cube. So that means now our function would be y is equal to sine inverse of u. So the concept that we are going to use is that if we want to calculate the value of dy by dx, which is this function, then this can be written as dy by du multiplied by du by dx. So we need to calculate both these terms and kind of substitute it here. Now the value of u is equal to x cube. So this means that the value of du by dx would be equal to 3x square. So let us say this is equation number 1. Now after this, the next thing is that we notice here, if the value of y is equal to sine inverse of u. So let us calculate the value of dy by du. So the value of dy by du would be equal to 1 divided by square root 1 minus u square. Now let us say this is equation number 2. Now let us substitute both these values in this particular function over here. So that means the value of dy by dx is equal to dy by du, which is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus u square multiplied by du by dx, that is 3x square. Now the value of u is x cube. So this is 1 divided by 1 minus x cube whole square multiplied by 3x square. So this means that the value of dy by dx is equal to 3x square divided by 1 minus x raised to the power 6. So this right here is the final answer to this particular problem.